Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you my first ever cooking video. So please excuse me if I make any mistakes. My today's video is about making simple and healthy tofu curry. So let's get started with the ingredients. You will need around 450 gram of tofu, around 2 green chilies chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup finely chopped onion, and about 1/4 cup of finely chopped cilantro for garnishing. You need around half a cup of green peas, 1 small boiled potato for thickening your curry, and about 2 big tomatoes cut and finely chopped. For seasoning, you'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, about half teaspoon red chilies, about 2 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, and about 1 tablespoon curry powder and 2 teaspoon of salt. To get started with the cooking, turn your gas on a medium heat and add about 1.5 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Once the oil starts to heat up, add some cumin seeds, some turmeric powder, and add your chopped green chilies. After a few seconds, you can add your chopped onion and mix them. After the onion is slightly caramelized and changed into golden color, you can add your ginger garlic paste. After all of them is slightly cooked for about 1 minute, add your chopped tomatoes and mixed everything together. And you can leave them to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes with the lid on. After a couple of minutes, open the lid and add your turmeric powder and your salt and mix them all well. Now it's turn to add your green peas. As I was out of green peas, I added a little bit of lima beans as well. But you can just use green peas if you like. Mix them well and cook for about 30 more seconds. And now it's time to add your boiled potato. Mix everything and add all of your spices and let them cook for about 2 more minutes with the lid on. After your ingredients are fully cooked, add about half a cup of water and let the liquid to simmer. After that, add all of your tofu, mix them all well and let it simmer and cook for another minute. And now your tofu curry is ready.